the past 15 years, Sibebe has been famous for what we know as the Sibebe Survivor Challenge, where we see numbers of people flocking this place. Everybody competing to be a Sibebe. The past 2 years, we saw what we know as Sibebe Resort. So it's no longer just about the hiking and the trail, but it's also about more fun and more activities and imicimbi lengaba khona. Mbukeli sibona bona Buhle belive la kangwane ehlelweni lakho lelithi Buhle Betfu naselangenda namuhla uhambisana naye nompumelelo kaDlamini Sibongo angedwa mbukeli njengenhlala yenda ngihambisana naye eSwatini Tourism Authority sithi hlomangwane vuka uvakashe. It's the time of the day where we look at the beauty of the kingdom of Eswatini. Angisathe lithuba mbukele kubingelela ngiphinze ngomukele ehlelweni lakho lelithi Buhle Betfu angithembe ukuthi nawe utakuthokozela lotakubona kwendeka kuSibebe nawe uthole lithuba lokuthi utamvakashela. Join me as we see what happens at Sibebe Resort.
Sibebe Resort is a royal-owned holiday destination that lays adjacent to the majestic Sibebe Rock. Sibebe Resort is a tranquil getaway from the city life and provides you with inner peace and a soul-healing experience.
Sibebe Resort uqalwa ngeMaswati, family eMaswati bakaMagagula Sibongo sabo bakhona la ku community eDlangeni. So shuthi nje babe Magagula ekukhuleni kwakhe njengomuntu wemango wabekayibuka lenzawo ayithanza. Waba nayo le dream ukuthi ngalelinye ilanga utokwenda something lefana nalena kuhle ukubona sekuphumelela lokho. Sivulwe nga 2018 April 2018 but nje bekuse into lencane establishment isakhula. So njalo kunanyalo kusengaqedwa kusakhiwa nje kusayembili. Sibebe Resort indzawo yekuvakashi ngayibeka ngaleyo ndlela leyo nje. Tourist, local and international tourists, because we provide accommodation, sibe ne restaurants ne bar la ufike khona thola khona kudla netinatho, sibe ne conference facility, nema venue emishado bantu sebashadela khona eSibebe. Kanti the main attraction kahle kahle ku Sibebe Resort is actually the Sibebe Rock. So bantu labanyenti labeta lapha so kubantu labafuna ku hike bayobona Sibebe Rock babone nema caves la khona around the area naletinye tintfo letinhle nje sinema waterfalls nalokunye lokunyenti lokukhanga abantu.
Sibebe Resort, just 10 kilometers out of the capital city of Mbabane, a peaceful resort filled with nature and a complete serene scene. This mountainous resort draws off seasoned crowds to enjoy beautiful scenery as well as spring and summer. If you like to combine a trip to the mountains with a little or a lot of R&R and the best in luxurious amenities, Sibebe Resort is the place.
Esikhathini esiningi bantu nabafika lapha baba nako lokuthi ngathi akusiko eSwatini la. So that really means Sibebe si different. One thing le difference ngeSibebe esikhathini esiningi itindzawo tetivakashi tikhanza tisemadolobheni, most of emahotela asemadolobheni or mangese edolobheni tokhanza ukuthi mhlambe kuseplazini la kuyi game park khona kube netplaza kube nelo, but lena iku community. So bantu nabafike lapha bakhona ukuthi baphile ne community ba understand ikakhulu ema tourists lasuka emaveni bayathanda ukuthi nabafike lapha ba walk around babone emakhaya ba understand ukuthi eMaswati aphila njani la emakhaya. So it's out of town, away from wonke umsindvo, kanti ayikho esigangeni iku community. So kwenda ukuthi ehluke kakhulu ngaphandle kwalobuhle ke bema views akhona.
This eco-friendly hideaway offers jaw-dropping views of the Sibebe Rock and Sibebe geographical terrain. Explore bubbling springs, beautiful nature. Spend your day going hiking, quad biking, cycling, or just relax by the pool.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Beautiful.
Cam, what's this? What's this? Cam. Cam, baby girls. Cam. Hello, Ali. Come, Ollie, come. Come on, come. They're right by here, by this back, the other side. Look at the other side. Check here. Here's a nice shot for you. Come. What's this? Bite me, come. Thank you, boy. Come. Thanks. Kisses.
Sibebe lidwala lesibili ngebukhulu emhlabeni cishe umlando lomkhulu umlando lesingathi Sibebe udume ngako lidwala lesibili ngebukhulu emhlabeni ulandzela lidwala lelisesibebe lelise Australia Ayers Rock so umlando lomkhulu ngiloko dzadzewethu ukuthi lidwala elikhulu lesibili ngebukhulu emhlabeni wonke jikelele but ke lona linemehluko ngoba lelase Australia lona lakhiwe ngenhlabathi kanti leli lakhiwe licinile is an igneous rock so ngulo umehluko bayalithanda kakhulu tivakashi letichamuka ngaphandle nalakithi kangwane bayeda balivakashele balibuke lo buhle balo balicance kukhona labaye balicance tinkampani lethite letifana boSwazi Trails bayebede balicance ngekubambisana nathi Sing Trust tsetsewethu shothi umlando uthi kwakunalenye kwakushothi nje kwaba ne-competition ekucaleni lo katheni lalapho kwakhulunywa ngokuthi lo shift beka khona lo beka kadzeni ekucaleni wabeka kuthi lotawukhona ukuthi lotawucaca lelidwala afike alenyuke lonke utawunikela ngendodzakati yakhe aphindze amnike netinkomo letinenge so ngidawuthi ngenhlanhla lembi kulabantu labe bacanca lelidwala kwakuna Sibebe but ke Sibebe kuthiwa kuyindvodza nje lenkulu lengasile kahle lo muntu omdzala beka ngasi umuntu lamthandzako kahle so watshela ke labantu because kwaba nenzambo leyakhiwa lecinile ukuthi bacance ngayo because lelidwala nawo libuka vele too steep so watshela ke tinhloli takhe ukuthi kwendeka because lendvodza lenguSibebe kwayindvodza lestrong nakwendeka kubonakala ukuthi lendvodza iyabe ehlulela labanye funa ukuthi nase iyawushaya inzambo bese kuyekelwa lenzambo iyagicika irole ife nangemambala vele bangena bayingenela le competition basi nabayingenela behluleka labanenge ebasala endleleni Sibebe wakhona ukuthi kwazi nje nasayowucetha base ke bavele balelela i-directive leyachamuka kumuntu omdzala wabayiyeka lenzambo warola Sibebe wafa shothi nje lo mlando usuka lapho lwaselidwala ke seliyethiwa kuthiwa nguSibebe sisakhula nje bebasicocela ukuthi kwakwenteka kubonakale umlilo wehla lo chance kumbe ngema lendzawo inemimoya lethide bacanga ukuthi umoya waSibebe ngoba Sibebe kuyindvodza lestrong beyigicika yehla yenyuka emva kwekushoneni kwaSibebe shothi nje ngilo umlando kwasekele lidwala selethiwa ngalo Sibebe.
Sibebe Rock is one of Africa's most impressive geological features. This immense volcanic slab, which rises to 1,488 meters and covers some 16,500 hectares, is the world's largest granite dome.
Ligama lami ngu-Innocent Ngwakagama shothi mahlala esangweni ngingushaman weSibebe Community Trust so ke Sibebe Community Trust babukela emakhaya i-organization le yafonishwa i-community ngiyo lebuke kusebenza nje kwaSibebe wonke shothi basically sine sibuke ukuthi tonke tivakashi letita kuSibebe si-community i-product yethu sinema-hiking trails. Ema-hiking trails starting point sisembuluzi lalapho bafike khona babhadale bete-ke batohayikha kuSibebe. Kusibebe ke kunema waterfalls, kunema caves, kunema bird watching views, kunema scenic spot, cishe kuningi kakhulu khona netihlahla nje temvelo, amahlathi emvelo akhona kuSibebe.
After rains, the rock glistens silver with countless streams running down its bare face. It's a magical light from afar. The road to Sibebe passes along the attractive Pine Valley to the rock so close to the verge that in places you must crane upwards to see it.
Lokusho ukuthi iSibebe challenge lebitwa ngeSibebe Survivor. Ngicabanga ukuthi seyineminyaka lengcako kulelishumi nesihlanu nangingaphosisi. I-purpose yaloko ukuthi bakambuluzi mbabane Rotary bacokelela imali tekusita labangakhona ukuthi sita bona. So ba decide ke bakhetha lendzawo yethu ngoba inemlando lothite ukuthi batawuta bende i-fundraising walk ukuthi isite the entire Swazi nation labangakhona ukuthi sita phindze ke nangala ngakithi kulemango leyakhelena Sibebe kuna certain percentage le isale ngakhona leya kuma project la thuthukisa umango dzadzewethu. Sisebenzisana kahle kakhulu nabakambuluzi mbabane Rotary bangema partners ethu. Siyajabula ke futhi lokho ukuthi ke le mali letholakala la akusitakali thina kuphela, kusitakala nje Swaziland wonke lokuyinto lekahle lesicabanga ukuthi bayisodungi babambisa uhulumende ukuthi naye bamncedise labamncedisa khona dzadzewethu.
Sibebe Resort offers a range of outdoor activities that include Sibebe hiking, adventure caving and nature walk. There is a beautiful waterfall which is 60-minute walk away from the resort. There is also quad bike safari, mountain bike safari, but the biggest attraction at the moment at the resort is definitely their newly built Infinity H pool that is the biggest infinity pool in Eswatini. So next time you think of traveling a long distance across the border, do think twice. Instead, take a short lift towards the mountainous Sibebe Resort that offers tranquil accommodation. They have spacious thatched chalets and their rooms have an African touch and a 5-star feel. They are intended to give you a sense of being home away from home and designed to keep you warm in winter and cool in the summer.
Ngingathi lo ngafike eSibebe ulahlekelwa ngilokunyenti kakhulu. That's one place lekungamelanga ukuthi uliswati uthi awuyadi because even bantu labasuka ngephandle kwalelive abafuni kubuyela emuva bangajiki eSibebe Resort. So how much more ke nangabe ukhona la ekhaya uthena akafika eSibebe Resort. So indzawo lenhle lelungela emafamily, ngeta nebantfana, ngeta nebantu labadzala. I-restaurant yethu ipheka lonke ihlobo lwekudla kusukela ekudleni kwabantfana kuye ekudleni lokuqinile lokudliwa abantu labadzala tinatfo emapool cishe konke nje lokungajabulisa umuntu sinako la eSibebe. So ema-rates ethu akusiwo la setulu, ngema-rates la very affordable ku-accommodation nasekudleni. So indzawo le kumele vele uyivakashele.
If you want to sit and unwind or with friends and family over a freshly made meal, Sibebe Resort definitely caters for the chilled heart with a massive appetite.
Igama lami ngi-Enestimsile, ngi-ex-rep chef lapha. So ngisebenza emahhotela amaningi ngathi bengamention bengazomention. But ngicala ngisebenza Bongwenyeni, Happy Valley, Stay Hotel, naseRoyal Swazi. Ngabe singihamba ngiyabona nomndeni lothu eSouth Africa, nasezamabhele Emelo. Lokho sengibuya ngiphinde ngibuyela eSibebe Resort. Uqala kwami ukupheka ngaqala 1995 as aqala ngicleaner. Ngabe sibangipromote abangishefu. lapho bengisesebo eWoodland restaurant. So chef lapho ngoba chef depart. Chef depart so somuntu ose anesikhundla now work under executive chef. Ngabe sengihamba ezingisasebenza ngase ngcono ngihambe ngifake ngibe nesingathi ngisasebenza ngihletha lapho squad for ukungeta nokwasa sele ngiphakama nami. Ngase sin 1999 is why I became as executive chef. Lapho bese ngise Espine Lodge. Bese ngikuba sengiqoqoma yalo sina 23 years as executive chef.
You can definitely enjoy a drink in their spacious lounge. There's a full range of bar drinks and a selection of teas and coffees are available throughout the day in the lounge.
Manye tuthina kasi na ifaka tonga tino patin ja our best dish bana babantsize kubala kubabhisa ngaka ngomqwembe nama stew esuke bo oxtail, mutton curry nabo beef curry. And so menu venue vegetarian, you get everything. Activity menu le kalabandu ufaka yonke into se ngokufela kha uyakufuthola. Kuhluka kokudla ke i-test ne ukuthi kubuke kahle kula plate. Ingoba sibethu babantu ukudla nabe kube vele ngabasebethe bana. So kana nalomqwembe wethu umqwembe vele uyahlukana imiqwembe leminye ngoba thina siyawu kune secret sauce yethu lesendawo. Most wendile, so most of the places about serve out right and so far the sauce there. That's why most of the people now butcher am going to Sibebe. What that's I in Sibebe. The my pizza together each was I got to pizza baby try and food and thin paste, I thick paste.
The restaurant is designed with a warm and contemporary feel, carefully designed to enable space yet intimacy. Like the lounge bar offering panoramic view of geographical rock and scenic view. However, the most important aspect of the restaurant is the quality of food and service, and they are justifiably proud of both.
Mnatile swatini utesibebeleni ngilokudla vele sengubonile so far. Angilokudla. Bande vele bakujimela kulo mqwembe kakhulu. Bangalanga nje siyawukhipha close to 110 mqwembe la.
Their menu is based on the principle of using high-quality local raw ingredients along with the best ingredients. There is a wide selection to choose from, including fresh pizza, char grills, a la carte selections, and special menus. Sibebe Resort is definitely a great place to hang out with friends, take some time out for yourself, and even child-friendly for children, making it a great holiday destination for families. They also cater for weddings and team building for corporates.
Impela Mbukeli nawe uyadibonela ukuthi live la kaNgwane ligabatisa bona Buhle Tindzaba imifulana lokunyendi. Hayi ke asingashiya abantu bangephandle Mbukeli bete batagcwala kuleli la kaNgwane. Kodwa nawe vuka Mbukeli uvakashe ubone indzawo yakini ukuthi yinhle kanganani. Now you know, if you're looking for a place where you could have fun, where you could go hiking and have so much more to do, Sibebe Resort is your next destination. Mbukeli ungagcini nje ngokuyibona la kumabona kuthi lenza kodwa nawe thola ithuba ukuthi uyivakashele. Ngenhlanhla lembi Mbukeli noma ngabe lokuhle akupheli kodwa ke isikhathi sona siyaphela. Njengoba sasifika khona maphethelweni ehlelo lakho lethi Buhle Betfu naselangeni lanamuhla. Hayi Mbukeli ngihambe ngedwa ngihambisana naye eSwatini Tourism Authority. Sithi hlomangwane vuka uvakashe kungako namhla lokubuya kimi nompumelelo kaDlamini isibongo ngihambisana naye eSwatini Tourism Authority. Sikhuthatha ukuthi Mbukeli wati live lakho kabandi. Kwanye lo Mbukela ngufisela kona kubukela lokuhle. Etinhlelo zakho letilandzelako nayo impela sonto lenhle nisaleni kahle.